If VLC is lagging, skipping, or stuttering on your 4K or 1080p videos, this quick fix guide can help you smooth playback and get things running much better. In this video, I'll show you the best VL settings to change step by step, including hardware accelerated decoding, file caching, FFmpeg options, and video output settings. These tweaks are especially useful if your videos are freezing, dropping frames, or just not playing as smoothly as they should. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player and go up to Tools, then click Preferences. This is where most of VL's performance settings are stored. Once the Preferences window opens, click the Input and Codecs tab. At the top, look for Hardware Accelerated Decoding. If this is set to automatic, change it to Disable. On the other hand, if it is already disabled and your videos are still lagging, try switching it back to automatic. VLC can behave differently depending on your computer, graphics driver, and video file type, so this setting is worth testing both ways. After making the change, click Save and restart VLC, so the new setting can take effect. Next, we're going to increase the file caching value, which can help VLC buffer video more effectively and reduce skipping. Go back to Tools, open Preferences again, and this time look in the bottom left corner of the Preferences window. Change Show Settings from Simple to All. This gives you access to VLC's advanced options. On the left sidebar, expand Input and Codecs, then look across the right pane for the Advanced section. Scroll down until you find File Caching in Milliseconds. Here, you want to double your current value. So if it is set to 300, change it to 600. If it is 500, increase it to 1000. This can give VLC a little more breathing room when loading heavier video files. Once you've updated the number, click Save and restart VLC again. Now let's fine-tune the FFmpeg decoding settings. Stay in the same Advanced Preferences window and go to Input and Codecs, then Video Codecs, then FFmpeg. Inside this section, find the thread setting. If it is set to 0 for auto, change it to 2. This can help VLC use decoding more efficiently on some systems without overloading the playback process. Still in the FFmpeg menu, look for Skip the Loop filter for H.264 decoding. Change that option to All. This can reduce the amount of processing VLC needs to do while playing H.264 files, which may help improve smoothness on weaker systems or higher resolution videos. After changing both settings, click Save and restart VLC once more. Finally, let's check the video output settings. Go back into Preferences and on the left panel, expand Video, then Output Modules. Find the Video Output Module option and set it to Automatic. This is usually the best choice because VLC can select the most compatible output method for your system. After that, click Save. If needed, restart VLC one last time to make sure everything is applied properly. At this point, you should notice better playback performance, fewer skips, and smoother video on your 4K or 1080p files. If the problem still continues, it may also be worth checking your system resources, graphics drivers, or whether the video file itself is damaged. But for most users, these VLC changes make a big difference. If this video helped you fix VLC lagging and skipping, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.